In recent years, Bangladesh has emerged as an increasingly attractive destination for global manufacturers and investors, especially those from China. The message is clear and compelling: build here and sell everywhere. This simple phrase encapsulates a powerful strategy that is reshaping Bangladesh's role in the global economy and creating new opportunities for both local growth and international partnerships. At the heart of this message is an invitation to Chinese investors, and indeed to investors from around the world, to consider Bangladesh not just as a market, but as a manufacturing hub. By setting up factories, assembly plants, and other operations in Bangladesh, investors can tap into a unique blend of advantages that are difficult to replicate elsewhere. Bangladesh's strategic geographical location is a primary reason for its appeal. Nestled in South Asia, it serves as a gateway not only to the vast Indian market, but also to Southeast Asia and beyond. Its ports, such as Chattogram and Mongla, provide access to vital shipping routes, making it easier for manufacturers to source materials and export finished products to markets around the world. For Chinese companies, this creates a direct link to new regions and a hedge against the risks of concentrating production in a single country. Another key factor is cost competitiveness. Bangladesh offers labor costs that are lower than those in China and even more affordable than in many Southeast Asian nations. This cost advantage is particularly pronounced in labor-intensive industries like textiles, garments, and light manufacturing. For companies facing rising wages and other production costs in China, relocating or expanding operations to Bangladesh can translate into significant savings and improved profit margins, but the incentives go beyond low costs. Bangladesh enjoys preferential access to major international markets. Under the European Union's generalized system of preferences, Bangladeshi-made goods can enter the EU duty-free or at reduced tariffs. Similar arrangements exist for China, India, and several other countries, meaning that products manufactured in Bangladesh often have a competitive edge in global trade. To further sweeten the deal, the Bangladeshi government has rolled out a range of investment incentives. These include generous tax holidays, cash incentives for exporters, and relaxed rules on foreign ownership and profit repatriation, particularly within the country's rapidly expanding economic zones. These policies are designed to create a business-friendly environment and to support both local and foreign investors in scaling up their operations. Infrastructure, traditionally seen as a challenge in Bangladesh, is also undergoing a transformation. With significant investment from China and other partners, the country is building new power plants, bridges, roads, and ports at a rapid pace. These improvements are making it easier and more efficient to move goods and materials, reducing logistical costs and delays that have historically been an obstacle for manufacturers. For Bangladesh, the benefits of this strategy are profound. Job creation is at the forefront, as new factories and industries bring employment opportunities for millions of Bangladeshis, particularly in rural areas where jobs are scarce. But the impact goes deeper than just the numbers. These investments also foster the transfer of technology and know-how, equipping the local workforce with new skills and capabilities that will serve the country for decades to come. Exports are another major beneficiary. As more goods are produced in Bangladesh, the country's export base is diversifying and expanding beyond traditional sectors like garments. This not only boosts foreign exchange earnings, but also makes the economy more resilient to external shocks. Stronger bilateral ties with China are a natural outcome of this growing economic partnership. As Chinese companies invest in Bangladesh and set up joint ventures, the two countries are building deeper connections that extend to trade, infrastructure, and even cultural exchange. This cooperation is helping to position Bangladesh as a key player in China's Belt and Road Initiative, further integrating it into the global economic landscape. For Chinese companies, the advantages are equally compelling. By establishing a manufacturing base in Bangladesh, they can avoid the rising labor and production costs that are increasingly common in China's coastal regions. This is especially important for industries where cost control is critical to competitiveness. In addition, diversifying manufacturing locations is a smart strategy in today's uncertain geopolitical climate. With ongoing trade tensions between China and the United States, and the growing trend among global brands to adopt a China Plus One strategy, having factories in Bangladesh allows Chinese companies to mitigate risks and maintain stable supply chains. Perhaps most significantly, producing in Bangladesh opens the door to a world of market access advantages. Goods made in Bangladesh can be exported to the European Union, the United States, and other major markets under favorable terms, allowing Chinese companies to serve global customers more effectively and at lower costs. In summary, the message, "Build here and sell everywhere," is more than just a slogan. It is a strategic vision for Bangladesh's future. By welcoming Chinese and global investment, Bangladesh is positioning itself as a manufacturing powerhouse, a vital link in international supply chains, and a driver of inclusive economic growth. For investors, the opportunity is clear. Bangladesh offers the right mix of location, cost, incentives, and access, all supported by a government that is committed to making business easy. For Bangladesh, this approach is creating jobs, transferring technology, boosting exports, and forging stronger international partnerships. As the world's economic landscape continues to shift, those who recognize and act on these emerging opportunities will be best placed to thrive in the years ahead. Bangladesh's invitation is open: build here and sell everywhere. The future of global manufacturing may well be written on the banks of the Bay of Bengal, where ambition meets opportunity and collaboration drives progress. The journey has only just begun, but the momentum is undeniable. Investors from China and beyond are discovering what Bangladesh has to offer: a dynamic workforce, a strategic location, and a welcoming environment for innovation and growth. For those willing to take the leap, the rewards can be significant, not just for their bottom lines, but for the millions of lives that stand to be improved along the way. In a rapidly changing world, Bangladesh's message stands out for its clarity and promise. The doors are open, the incentives are in place, and the time to build is now. As more companies choose Bangladesh as their new base, the country's role in the global economy will only grow stronger. The story of build here and sell everywhere is ultimately a story of transformation, of a nation, its people, and the future of international business.